Welcome back, Keiko, to this class, and this is lesson 2 in Python. What? Python Pro 2. Okay. How's it going, Keiko?
Uh, okay.
You're doing okay?
Yeah.
How's your feeling today?
Okay, else.
Okay as well.
Yeah.
So, like, no homework at school, maybe?
Oh, there is, but
There
I'll
is.
do it later.
But, you will do it later?
Yeah.
All right, then. So yeah, today, as we know that we are already entered to lesson 2, and again, lesson 2 in the Python Pro 2 is just about review all the stuff in Python. Okay, by the way, do you have any question about the basic Python on the previous lesson?
No.
No? Have you like understand all the things maybe in
No.
the outline of it?
I don't think all, but I think mostly.
Mostly? Okay, so could you please mention some of the concept you remembered in the basic Python? In the previous lesson, we learned about algorithms and data structure. Right. So, do you still remember about data structure?
Which one was that?
Data structures. Let me share my screen then. Data structure. I'm gonna use Python compiler. Maybe you can just visit W3 School. It's
Oh,
really
yeah.
useful. Okay, Python and data structure. Is there any sections which that only explain about data structure? No. Okay. So the data structures that we have in Python so far is four data structures. Okay. If you go to the W3 school, you will see the first data structures after Python operators. Okay. The first one is list. Second one is tuples. Third one is sets. And fourth one is dictionaries.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So do you have any question among these four data structure?
Uh, Operators is which one?
Yes, but if you see from the W3 schools and you see on on the left side and find the Python operators here, you will see that the first data structures here is list.
Oh,
See that?
yeah.
Right. And what's next? What comes after list?
Um,
The next data
Tuples,
structures of the list. Tuples, and then what's next?
sets,
And then,
dictionary.
okay, do you have any question among these four?
No.
Okay, now I give you the question. So, what makes list, or what the unique things from list compared to these three?
List is, well, yeah, list, but, uh,
Or how? Maybe can you share a screen? Let's just do some review for this.
okay.
Share a screen, please, and open the Python compiler. You can open Python compiler. You open new tab, yes. Just type Python compiler. Use to programize. So far, this one is has a better performance. Okay. So I want you to create a list of your hobbies. Yeah. Wish list of your hobbies. No, not wish list. A list of your hobbies. Yes, let's go. Can you create list of your hobbies? How many hobbies you have so far?
Uh, I think three.
Three, only three?
Yes.
Oh my God. Are you trying to be good at it or just hobby?
Uh, it's just hobby.
Oh, okay. So yeah, please create your hobbies, put it in a list data structure. If you forget how to create lists, go to W3 schools to see how you create them. Where is sleeping your hobbies then? Yeah, you do it in your free time.
Yeah. Uh,
Listening to music. Okay, what kind? All right. Let's talk about it later. So you have three. Now I want you to
huh?
show all those three hobbies. How? Mm-hmm. Run it. All right. Now I want you only to show playing games. How?
Oh,
Just playing games. Not all of them.
something with numbers, but
If you forgot that, you can visit W3 schools.
oh,
Wow.
never mind.
Now I want you to show the listening to music. Right. Okay, good. So Liz, I think, oh, so now I want you to do this. Could you please display all your hobbies in this format? One, playing games. Two, hashtag sleeping. And three, hashtag listening to music. Can you display it this way? Using for loop.
Okay.
Do you remember them?
Um, wait, I'm trying to think.
Or you want to do it manually?
Uh, we use loop, yeah.
Yes. You remember?
Not really.
Okay, so yeah, let me help you with this. So it's basically easy. All you need to do with Python, like Python is way more easier to do compared to the other programming language. You can just do by creating creating temporary variable. We can just do like for hobby inside in hobbies. You can do that. Change the way it is structures for hobby in hobbies. Mm. And you do that, change line number two. For hobby, hobby with Y, hobby
Oh,
in hobbies, not in range. For hobby in hobbies. Yeah, change the way the line number two to be for hobby in hobbies. Change it.
Huh?
You change line number two for hobby in hobbies.
Hobby.
Yeah, you type that. We change number two to be for hobby in hobbies.
Hobby.
Yeah, for hobby. No, for it. You typing for I in range, right? We
Yeah.
change it to be for hobby in hobbies.
What? I don't get it.
You typing for I in range, right?
Yeah.
We change the code to be for hobby in hobbies. For hobby
Oh.
in hobbies. Yes, delete this. Yes, right. Now I want you to print hobby here. Run it. What you get?
No.
Yes, all the list of this, right? But
Yeah.
right now I want you to attach the number. But it's your strategy to put number, but the number keep increasing.
Mm. Is it the I plus one thing?
Well, you could do that. You could do that. Okay. What is
Uh,
I stands for, and what is that square bracket? Well, why don't you use I instead first? Let's just try an error. Uh-huh. See, you read the syntax error? What does it
uh-huh.
said? Invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma, and it said name I is not defined, so you need to define it.
Wait, what?
I is not defined, so you need to define it. Do you know what define means? You create
No.
variable for that, but not right there. You better create before a for. Before for. On the top of for loop. Yes, the top of for loops. Below the hobbies. Yeah. What number you want to put?
Uh, one.
One, okay. Now try to remove that one.
Huh?
Yeah, try to run it. Run the
Oh.
program first. See, you got two playing games, two sleeping, two listening to music. You have one playing games, sleeping, listening to music. Now what you should do to keep it increasing every loops. What you gonna do?
Um,
You know what? You need to I plus plus or I plus equal 1 or I equal to I plus 1. Choose one of these. No, after print. After we print, we update the I. Yes,
I
after
plus.
print, after print. No, not right there. After. Yes, you could choose these or these or these. Right, try to run. You get them
Oh,
right? But now I want you to have one hashtag and your hobbies. How? Just got what we want, but now I want to have these hashtag.
oh,
Remember? Why three?
uh,
uh-uh.
yeah,
You better use single quotes because that is not a number, right? And not even variable. So you better consider that as a string. Yo. See? You got it,
yeah.
right? Any question about it?
I think no, but I might forget again.
Okay, that's the list. Okay, how about dictionary? Do you still remember about dictionary?
Um, I think a bit.
Okay, so for dictionary, I want you to create dictionary, okay, of your hobbies. Okay, so please create another hobbies too right here.
Okay.
Or maybe you can delete this or comment this code.
How do I do that? Like
Yeah,
comment.
control A and control slash. Control slash, can you do it? Yeah,
Oh,
you just disable all of it. And now all you need to do right here is, yeah, create hobbies, followed by these equal. And how to create dictionary? You remember the symbol or the syntax we use?
um,
Yeah, create hobbies equals, and then I want you to find the sign, the symbol to create dictionary. Dictionary. What is that? Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, good. But you need open close it first. So you know, no, no, okay, okay. Do you know how to create that? Okay, so the first thing is I want you to create the closing bracket first, because sometimes people missed about this one. Okay, next you need to enter after you create the bracket. Yep, delete this, delete this hobby. Okay, yeah, enter. Now we're the dictionary concept consists with these key and the value. So right now I want you to type the key is playing games. Create playing games right here. Yeah, playing games and then two dots. We're going to put the value here. Now, do you play one games or more than one games?
holding one.
More than one? Okay, so to store more than one games, we can use list to store your
Oh,
games. Yeah, type maybe two or three games you play so far. What is Harvest Moon? No, Honkai Star Rail. Okay, what else? You create another list for what?
eh. Sorry.
Roblox. Oh, right. Next,
Um,
you play Mahjong or something.
no.
Candy Crush. Block Block Blast. All right, that's for the playing games. Next, let's create the second data. Don't forget to put comma after that. Yes, now the sleeping. Okay, sleeping. Again, the value of the sleeping is you can put like just one maybe number or something like four. Maybe you sleep like 6 hours or 7 hours. You can just put number. Yep. You sleep 8 hours?
If it's a school day.
Oh, okay. Next, comma. No need to add more time. You already sleep, oversleep if you put eight, more than eight. Yeah. Next is listening to music. Create a key. No, 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 right there. Enter, enter.
Oh yeah.
Ah, enter. Yes. Listening to music. And after that, do you listen to one genre or more?
More.
More than one genre?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can use dictionary here.
Oh.
Dictionary again.
Yes.
Dictionary.
Oh.
Open close. Create open close. Yes, from there enter. Let's start by the first genre you like to listen. Let's say rock or pop or dance.
Wait.
What genre? R&B. Okay, don't forget these double quotes. If you love to listen to R&B, and after that, the value of R&B is the list. You use list to list the song
Oh.
or the band or the artist. Two dots, two dots. It's a value. It's a key value.
Oh.
You need two dots. Yes. Now you can start type inside that list. You can start typing the artist or uh, anything. The artist or the title of the song. You really listen to R&B, or you just forget the title or the artist.
I just put it in. I don't really know what is.
The title,
Yeah.
then the artist. Put the artist. You know the artist
Um.
name?
Wait. Ganti ganti.
Oh my God. Let's say pop. Pop is the easiest one, right? Or what a jazz. All right. Yes, yes. Love,
Okay.
Lao Fei. Who is Lao Fei? It's more a Chinese person.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, she's mixed.
Oh, mix. Lao Fei. Ah, this person. Oh, from Iceland. Iceland.
I s-
Is that Iceland? Iceland. Musicus Islandia. Hmm. Next. Is that the only artist you listen to?
Yes.
My lord. All right.
I just went and then up.
Next. What else? The K-pop. Put it down.
Oh yeah.
Yes. K-pop. At ease.
Well, I don't think that's how you say it.
What?
Uh.
P1 Harmony. But why this Lao Fei looks like Indonesian? Like looks like Asian, not someone from the Europe.
She has. She's Chinese blood.
Oh, but not
Uh.
not not actually Chinese person. If you see it, it's like mixed with some, yeah.
Yeah. I'm not really sure.
All right then. TXT. All right. Don't. Is there any genre? Don't forget to put comma after this.
Oh yeah.
Next, one more genre. Is it dangdut? or keroncong.
Um, does musicals count as a genre?
What?
Musical.
Musical? What is musical genre means?
I don't know if it's a genre.
Uh-huh. But what is the type? Who's the artist then?
Uh, Jorge Rivera Heron.
Can you just please type that? I don't get it. Yeah, just type it. Musical. Just type it musical. Yes. George Groban or George River. George Rivera. Okay. George Rivera and Herans. Uh-huh. Who's this guy? George Rivera. Oh. Epic musical. Oh, he's a composer.
Yeah, there's like a lot of people. There's multiple people
Hmm.
recorded, so I just say him. He's the one who composed.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, got it. And Leslie Odom. GR. All right, is that all?
Yeah,
All
all the
right.
people.
All right. Okay. So now it's time for us to access the data. Okay. Now try to show all the data you have, all the hobbies you have. Try to display it here, like all of it.
Okay.
You got all the
Okay.
data, right?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
like
Right?
that.
This looks messy.
Yeah.
Well, but that's how the system works to store the data like this. So I want you to now show all the games you play, the list of the games you play. How you do that? To display all the three games you play, Honky Star Rail, Roblox, Block Blast. How?
I don't know the same.
Nope. That's how you access list. But to access data in dictionary, you need to access its key. Okay, so key is on the left side, data is on the right side. Because you're going to access these three games, you need to access this. So inside the square bracket, you need to type playing games. Make sure you include this single quote. Right.
Oh.
See, don't put the space. Okay, even though it works, but as you can see, this is how it works. Now I want you to access only Roblox. Could you please
Oh.
display only Roblox?
Yeah. I
Run. Uh-uh,
um.
wrong. So you need to put it this way. This is playing games, and this is one. Don't put any space. Let them close together. Yes.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Now I want you to share to show all the music you listen.
Oh. Um.
Mhm. Run. You got jazz, you got what? K-pop, you got musical. Okay, now I want to see the K-pop, all the K-pop artists you're listening to.
Eh, but
What data type is that? Listening to music?
um,
What data structure you have inside the listening to music?
dictionary.
Yes. Then,
Oh, wait.
and how to get all the K-pop artists you're listening to? Atis, P Harmony, TXT. Alright, they got all of them, right? Now I want you to show only P1 Harmony. How to read those names? Is P Harmony or P1 Harmony or?
P1 harmony.
Alright. Next, how to show only P1 Harmony.
Okay.
Okay. I want to see now I want you to display Leslie Odom, JR.
Yeah.
Alright. Now I want you to see these three of your games like this.
Uh,
Honkai Star, Roblox, Block Blast. Almost seems like these, but the difference is you know how to access this data. How to show it that way. Yes, but you need to show one hashtag Honkai Star Rail, two hashtag Roblox, three hashtag Block Plus. You need to learn from mistake.
can I do the same as just now?
Sorry?
Like this.
Mm, yeah, you can try that. First of all, you need to do try and error.
Huh?
Okay? You know, like trial and error. This is not what you're supposed to do. Okay, you missed the indentation and something like that. All you need to do when you're doing for hobby in hobby is print the hobby first. What will you get? Just print the hobby because this is your temporary variable. Now delete all of these and only print hobby. You can delete this.
Huh.
Yes. What you get by doing that for hobby in hobbies?
Oh. Uh,
You get
my hobbies.
you get playing games, right?
Yeah.
You get sleeping, you get listening to music. So what is this? Is this your data or is this your value or your key?
Well.
Uh-uh.
Huh? Oh wait, no. I mean like yeah, key.
Yeah, so your key, right?
Yeah.
So right now, we aiming these data. So in order to access this data, what we need to do with this hobby, we make it
Um,
specify to,
playing game.
yes, what you have right there.
Oh, uh,
What does it say? String indices must be integer, not str. All right, so we can do anything. We can do another way. Could you please doing only uh, create one variable and put this hobbies playing game inside this variable? Maybe you can create this variable here just to get all of these thing. Okay, hobbies and then playing games. Yes, please delete this and print H. Delete all these for loops.
this. Delete.
No, no, don't delete that. I changed my mind. Okay. Once you know that if you print, I mean, could you please like disable this first by selecting these and control slash? No, no, no,
Disable.
only for print and for. Yes, control slash. I want you to print this H, only H, your variable. Yeah, like how you solve something by reading the data. Okay, so by doing hobbies playing games, you access this data, but you put all of these into one variable. So whenever you print H, you will get this data, a list. So we can consider H right now is a list of your playing games. You get that? Or you get
Yeah.
confused by, okay. If you get that, now we're going to scan through H. Now you can just enable these and doing for hobby in H. Okay, for hobby, yeah, leave it or can disable this. Enable this code, this one, yeah, by pressing Control slash one more time and change for hobby in H. Do you understand this for hobby in H?
No.
No? So this is your data and hobby is like your temporary variables. You know, if you like to have to take something from the do you have you ever uh, I believe you ever go to something like a restaurant or something, yeah? You have
Yeah.
dish, one, this, and this is your plate. If you want to enjoy this food, you're going to use your spoon or maybe another spoon to take the food from your plate. Yo, where is the am I lagging?
No.
No? Okay. Yeah, you use your spoon to take the food here one and put it to your plate. Okay? And same thing happens. This is hobby. This is H. And this is print. So you use hobby to take something from H and bring it to your plate. But you're going to take it one by one. As you know, the H right now consists.
You're lagging now.
Oh, I'm lagging. Hold on, let me check my internet first.
Oh wait, you're back.
Okay, so the concept is the hobby is your spoon. Okay, H is all the dishes right here, and Uh, print is your plate. So you taking this hobby and take Honkai Star print. Okay? And take this hobby again, pick Roblox, put it back on your plate. You take hobby, take Block Blast, put it on your plate. You get them? Did you get
Uh,
that? Or not?
not really.
Not really? Okay, let me explain to you again. This is, you're about to eat something, right? This is like soup. Okay, this is soup. And this is your plate. This is you. Okay, this is you. And you're going to take this soup to your plate, to your bowl. But how? You need a spoon, right? This
Yeah.
spoon is hobby.
Okay.
Okay, and this soup is H. And the print H is your plate. So you take this soup right here. Okay, if you use your spoon, you will not take all soups into your plate, right? You might take
Yeah.
only a bit of them. So this analogy means you take one data, Honky Star, okay, to the spoon and put it on your plate. So you print them. Next, you still use this hobby or this spoon to take another data or another amounts of soup, Roblox, put it on your plate. And after that, using the same hobby, okay, you take the block blast and put it on your plate. Now, if you run that, if you run the print, your hobby, print all the things you take from the soup, you will get all these things. You got that or still confused?
I think I.
You just be honest, okay? If you still confused, I'll try my best to explain it to you.
I understand it, but like only a bit.
Only a bit. Which part is hard to understand?
The put Honkai Star Rail to the plate, Roblox to the plate.
Yeah, your plate. Your plate is like you are printing.
Oh, okay, okay.
You are printing, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to display them. But now you don't need to print H. Instead, you print what you take with your spoon. Hobby. You should print hobby. This is a loop. So you take, put it, print, you take again, you print, you take again, you print. See? You get the Honkai Roblox Block Blast. Okay? But
Oh,
now I want you to have one hashtag Honkai Star Rail, two Roblox, three hashtag Block Blast. It said name I is not defined. Means that you haven't created something. You haven't defined what is I.
this?
You haven't defined. Check the previous example you created. What is missing from there?
Oh,
Yeah, finally. You got the answer? Do you understand that? Or still confused? Or do you feel like, okay, I think I need more practice?
I think I need more practice.
Okay. Right. So this is how we work with the programming language. We have data and we need to display them in the specific format. But sometimes we need to understand how to access, how to do loop. Okay? We know that we can just do it manually, but again, if you have thousands of data, you need this for loop to help you displaying these things. Okay? Any questions about dictionaries and list?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Okay. So, how do you feel right now about this?
Um, I think I'm starting to get it.
Okay, good then. So right now we still have like couples of minutes right here. So I'm going to doing some review for object-oriented programming. Okay.
Okay.
But before that, do you understand what is function?
Yes.
Okay, right there. So, well, so I'm just going to be fast here. So OOP or object-oriented programming. So it's basically, oh my God, I'm lagging. Yeah,
You're not.
that's not. Okay, so what is object-oriented programming means that you take the example of your real life and you try to break it down. For example, do you have a cat or a dog at home?
I have a cat.
A cat, okay. This is a cat, okay? This is your cat. This is your object. This is the
Okay.
object at home. So we're going to break it down in programs. It has two things. First is how it looks or the feature your cat has, okay? And the second
Yeah.
one is his skill or ability, what your cat can do, okay? This cat can sleep, this cat can eat, and also can, yeah, take your money, something like that, okay?
Okay.
So in programming terms, we tend to say it as property, okay? This one is property, and this one is method. But let's make it simple, okay? This is start. If you go back to the basic programming, this property actually a variable, and the method is actually a function. Okay, so for summarize all of these, the object it consists of variable and function, and we put them in one scope. You get that?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I have a dog right here, I don't know how to draw a dog. Maybe like this. Okay, this is a dog. Do the dog has the same feature as the cat?
No.
Do the dog has the ability like a cat?
No.
No. So this is what the object-oriented programming interesting. So the variable and the function of the dog cannot be used by the cat. And the variable and function of the cat cannot be used by the dog. You got that?
Yeah.
That's the rule. So now let's try to create one object right here. Okay. The object is cat. Okay. But right now let's create the hey, hold on. I just go too far. Okay, your object is a cat. Okay, and then after that, to create more cats, we need to create the template of the cat in general, and the template is class. We say it as a class in programming language. So just create that class cat like this. Okay. Next, we're going to configure its property or the feature or the variable of the cat. And also, we need to create the method or skill or function of the cat. Okay. In order to create variable, you need to bring this function. Okay. This is a mandatory wajib ya. This is a mandatory function called definite. Okay, and is used to build or to declare the variables of the cat. For example, the cat could have like color, the color of the cat, the type of the cat, and also sound of the cat. Not sound, no. Uh, 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 like how thick it is. Okay, fur. Okay, I'm going to create three of them. So because we're going to have three variables here, we're going to declare it first inside here. So color, type, and fur, like this. And after that, we create the variables here. So take a look. I'm going to create variables. Go self.color equals to color. Okay. Self.type equals to type. Self.fur equals to fur. Do you have any question? Hmm, how do you say that the, or I'm going to say species instead, okay? Species of the cat. Do you have any question about creating properties or variables of the cat?
No.
No? Okay. Do you understand why I type self color equals to color, self species equals to species, and self fur equals to fur?
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Sort of.
Okay, good. Okay, so now if you create your cat right now, nothing will happen. Okay, this is how you create that. Make it real from the template. Okay, or we call it as instantiation. Instant instant instantiation. This weird word. Okay, or I can say is a create real object from template. I prefer to say this. Okay, so I will create my own cat. I'm going to say my cat. Okay, to create my own cat, I need to use this template by typing this cat this way. And what we need to do after that, after we call this template here, I need to declare the feature of my cat. I need to declare or define the color of my cat. Let's say I'm going to say, okay, my cat is going to be orange, okay, and my cat is a Persian cat. Enough that, or just kampung, yeah, kucing kampung. And after that, I need to say the how thickness is the fur. It's fur, okay, very thick. I'm going to say very thick, and my cat is done. I just create the object of my cat. But as you know, my cat can't do anything because it doesn't have any method. Okay? So far, until this, do you have any question? No?
No.
Okay, now let's create one function or one ability. I'm going to teach this cat, okay, to introduce itself. Okay? Introduce, okay? All right, so here's what I'm going to do. Create method. It's a function, okay, def function, but we need to always give this word self every function we created. Okay, so here it's pretty simple. I'm just going to use print and say hi, or just no meow, and then it will say, oh, this doesn't have name. I need to put the name here.
Oh.
Self.name equals to name. Okay, and my cat name is uh who is Herman.
Okay.
Okay, I'm meow. I I am, and here. I'm going to mention my cat's name, Herman. So I will type here self.name. Remember, this is our variable. This is the
Okay.
value that we declare here. As you can see, when I type all of these data, it's supposed to be in order to this def init. Okay?
Yeah.
So name to the Herman, color to orange, species to kambung, fur to very thick. Okay? So when I'm doing this, def introduce self, now I can tell my cat right here to introduce itself. So when I run, it will say, meow, I'm Herman. Is there any question? You just create your own cat.
No, I don't.
Can you create one more skill of your cat? Maybe it tells you about the color, or yeah, maybe you can like def and then interview or something, or def body check self, and you just say my fur my fur color is the self color, and you can print my I am, and you're going to say self dot species, and you say cat. So I am Persian cat, I am kampung cat, and you're going to say I have blah blah blah
Self-fur.
self fur, and then fur. I have something something fur. Okay, and I can tell my cat dot body check. Right. So when I run this, boom, my fur color is orange. I'm kampung cat and I have very thick fur. You can create your own cat by this one. So your cat, also cat, and you can name it Salsa. And then blue, oh no, white. It is German. German,
Shepherd.
yeah, German what?
Shepherd.
Okay, German Shepherd. And the thick is medium. Yeah, something like this. And you can just type your cat introduce. When you run, meow, I'm Salsa. Your cat dot body check. My fur color is white. I'm German Shepherd cat and I have medium fur. That's OOP.
Okay.
Is there any question?
No.
Have you ever typed this?
I think I can now.
Sorry?
I have her.
Okay. You can take a screenshot if you want. And that's all the lesson for today. We just learned about the data structure, and we also learned about object-oriented programming. Okay, the mix of dictionary, okay, inside list. Oh, no. We create list inside dictionary, inside another list inside dictionary, and something like that. Okay, like
Okay.
nested data structures, and then we come to this one. But again, inside these object-oriented programming, sometimes we're going to use the for loop again, the data structures. We combine all of those concepts into one, and yeah, we're going to do it on the next meeting. It's on here, introductions to mobile development. So I suggest you to maybe watch some videos on YouTube about Kiwi. Okay, so Kiwi Python YouTube. Okay, here you try to watch some of the Kiwi design language here is on YouTube. So on the next lesson, because we're going to talk about this, so you didn't really like uh, hard to like take it from zero. No, just getting practice from here. Okay, this person is really good on teaching the Kiwi. Okay, this what is a codemy.com. Okay, you could watch him and all the videos provided by him. Thank you. Do you have any question, Keiko?
No.
No, could you please summarize everything that we have learned today?
We learn list,
Mm-hmm.
dictionary,
Mm-hmm.
and then the tadi yang self itu, what was it called? Death.
This one?
Yeah, I forgot what it was called.
It's function.
Oh yeah, function.
Yes, function. And here's what is the concept of this? This whole concept.
Or like, yeah, the information.
What is this? Can you read?
Class.
Is
I mean, no.
OOP,
Oh, OP.
object-oriented programming. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's see each other again on next week. And good luck and have a good night. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, goodbye, Keiko.